So hey, hello everyone. This is gonna be my first experiment with different materials. The first material that I'm gonna use is this. This is tin solder, used to put together electronics projects that I'd like to do back in Mexico. So right now I don't have a solder, the thing that you use to melt this thing, but I do have a lighter, and I'm very willing to play with fire. So let's give it a go. I'm gonna try to make a few drips. Ouch! Oh, come on, melt. So, I can make lines with it, okay. So maybe, what if I just heat the lighter itself? Oh, that's what I'm talking about. No, that was not the idea. Oh. So maybe I can use it as a pencil, see what kind of results I get. So maybe this can be part of my collection of frottage thing, because I'm gonna try to rub this SD card with tin solder. I'm sorry for my English. I'm working on it. So that's an idea. Okay. So what I was aiming for was to do this type of dripping. I don't know if you can see it. I was hoping that it would stick on the sheet of paper, but it didn't work out. I'm gonna give it another try. Ouch! God damn it. So, well, that was my experiment. Very unsuccessful, but it is what it is. So, ouch. Bye. This is like a little friend. Okay.